Hi, hello my friends. Today I'm gonna open this box from Amazon and I'm gonna show what is inside. Already I know are 4 pieces of pajama for my little one, 2 years old. This is a thank you card. It's very cute. I like it. And let's see now. I'm gonna open and then check them. The material is very good, 100% cotton. Then the colors is very nice too, because I choose because my little one likes the airplane and the rocket too, and a helicopter. That was a perfect for him. You see so cute they are, very cute. Brand of them is Daughter Queen. Don't forget, I got it on Amazon. The second one, and then after we're gonna see which one he's gonna like it, and then which one he wants to try. Look at that one, the blue too, very cute, very nice, cozy, soft. Yeah, they are soft over there where they have the ticket. Look, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to show it to him.
Okay. Which one you
Let's
want?
see which
This
one
or
he's
this?
gonna
Cadê
choose.
você deixas? Zidane.
Yes, he
Blue?
got the blue one,
Okay,
more with
this one.
airplanes, because he loves that one. Anyway, let me put them on, and then you're gonna see they're so comfy for him, like he can play,
Wait.
he can run. They are perfect for his age, like 2 years old. Not too big, not small,
Turn
like very.
around.
I love it. I love it. I like it. And then they stay so
Turn
cute
around
to
like
him.
this.
I love it. Look at him. He's so excited
This
too.
one. Hide it in the
Now
closet.
ready to go to play. Okay, look at. I love it. I love this pajama. They are very comfy, very comfy. And then he put it on. He doesn't want to take them off because he loves. They're very comfy. Yeah, he's sitting, lay down, playing with that one.
Play.
Yes, he is very happy and then very comfy with these pajamas. I put the second one just to try it, and he loves that too. I love this color. And just playing. He's playing. I'm gonna put the link to find that one and then to choose which color and which age you like it. That is from Amazon, and I